Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the environment. Make sure WordPress and PHP meet requirements, and create a full backup. Next, upload and activate the Houzez ZIP from Appearance right arrow themes. This is the only way to get official demo import. Once activated, install the bundled Houzez core and page builder plugins when prompted. You do this now so the theme's templates and options populate. Make sure to keep the WP dashboard open while plugins install to handle any permission prompts or notices. Once the demo content is imported, focus on taxonomy and template configuration. You should set property types, cities, and amenities so filters work correctly. These drive search and listing pages. Then assign the imported templates. Map the search page, listings archive, and single property template in Houzez options. Use Visual Composer to fine-tune layout blocks and widget areas. This controls listing cards, slider behavior, and contact forms. Make sure to save and preview changes frequently to catch layout or style mismatches early. You finish by wiring functionality. Configure payments, user accounts, and email templates so leads and transactions flow. Next, optimize for speed. Enable caching, minify CSS/JS, and regenerate thumbnails to fix image sizes. Test responsiveness and cross-browser behavior. If something breaks, enable WP debug and inspect server logs to find PHP or permission errors. Often file permissions or missing plugin activations are the cause. If that doesn't resolve it, gather your debug info.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.